Hey guys, welcome back to my fake YouTube channel. So I said fake, but my sister actually convinced me to upload it, which you'll hear me say later on the video. So yeah, thanks for watching. Today, I've been locked up in the house for like 2 days because that's my car. Wait, can you even see it? Yeah. So I've just been inside. We've been in a legit snowstorm weather emergency, but today it's the best it's been. So I think that I'm gonna clean off my car and go get Dunkin. So yeah, gonna get ready. I can't decide if I want to use a claw clip or just like a regular hair tie. How does it look? Yeah, I'm just gonna wear a hair tie. Can like anybody tell me how to like get, yeah, you see where I get that little ball? I wonder if I have any gloves. Okay, we just won't talk about, we just won't talk about the fact that I'm doing all this for a cup of coffee and maybe a croissant. But let's go. Aww. Wait, I have a cup of coffee. I have a package. Okay, I'm opening this up later because I just don't want to. Okay, how the fuck should I really do this? Okay, fuck it. Okay, it actually looks scary in there. Oh, that's just me. Okay, now. Okay, so that's heating up, so now I'm actually gonna fix my car. Ooh. Guys, it's done. I may not be able to get out, but we're about to find out. It's fucking hot. Safety first. Oh. Maybe we try it again. Nope. Wow. Okay. Okay, I'm trying it again, even though like I literally didn't really fix much, but I just feel like, I don't know, we're about to find out. Oh my gosh, I'm out. So I've never actually driven through this bad of snow before. I've never really driven through snow, period.
Ah, silly bitch.
What am I doing? Like, am I gonna post this? Probably not. Maybe. I'll send it to my sister. Aww. And if my sister thinks it's okay, then I'll do it. Aww. And my window is broken, so like when I get there, I have to go in. Or I can go through the drive-thru and like open up my door and like get out. Oh my gosh, a deer. Hey. Girl, what the? Don't get sidetracked on the road. I shouldn't even be doing this right now, but fuck it. Well, it looks like a lot of people are leaving. Like, I was low-key treating this like COVID. Like, don't leave the house unless you absolutely have to, you know? Here I am going out, and it's not even for something that I actually really need. I'm just gonna let everybody at the stop sign go. Not that they were gonna wait for me anyways, but these people are fucking rude. So it looks like I have to go through the drive-thru. I hope I don't get stuck. My dad's gonna be so mad. Please. I'm just gonna reverse. This was so stupid. I'm gonna try one more time. Okay, so I was meant to get Dunkin. Okay, but now I have to fucking get out of the car, embarrassingly. So I'm not gonna lie, I actually have no idea how I'm gonna get out of here. I hope I can just go around like the way that I usually go and then go through the way that I came in. But I kind of got stuck, but I made it through. I really wish they would have plowed this area a little more. Let me just give you guys like a little view. Yeah. Let's pray my dad doesn't have to come get me because he will literally kill me. And I did not need to leave the house. I'm gonna take the long way around. Maybe I'll go to Target. Fuck it, looks like we're going to Target. I bet the workers are like, what the fuck are these people doing out right now? Cause like, what the fuck am I doing out right now? I'm just gonna go home, even though Target is literally cleared out, but the gas station wasn't. Priorities, people. Says me. Should I back in like a boss bitch? Or should I just pull in? But then I'll have to back it out. Fuck it. We're backing in. People are here. And I can't get in. Okay, so nobody's answering the phone and I can't get in my driveway. I'm legit in the middle of the road right now. What do I do? Okay, I just parked in somebody else's driveway and then I'm gonna run really quick in my house. Okay, so I parked on the street and now I'm gonna go inside and finally shower. Oh my gosh. And just relax, even though that's what I've been doing for the past 2 days. And it's the reason that I also left my house, but yeah. Now I'm going to procrastinate editing this video. I'm probably not even posting it, but gotta get the sister stamp. Aww.